good morning. Thank you all for being here this beautiful Monday morning. And here we are at the city's new wellness clinic, here where Suncoast Medical used to be, but we are on the third floor here at the Bayfront facilities. And this is something that the city has been working on this endeavor for many months. We'd like to thank our partners, certainly Catherine Gillette with Bayfront and all of our partners within the Bayfront health systems. This is something that we encourage all of our employees to take advantage of. This is a real medical thing, and I'm going to turn my medical records in because I'm going to have my physical today, or whatever the doctor wants me to have. But we are encouraging our employees to work on their wellness. This is something that employees can take off an hour during the day if they're sick. So it's for sick people to get well, but it's also for people who might have some chronic illness that they don't even know about for treatment. So Dr. Israel Wanowich is here, and I'll introduce him in a minute, but he will be your primary physician. And that's what's exciting about this. This is off city property where all records are housed and very, very confidential. But employees can come here, they can park their dump truck or their backhoe if that's their mode of transportation during the day, and seek the counsel of a physician. They can receive medications to treat their illness, and when they come here there's no copay. So that's another exciting thing about that, is access to health care, no copay, and preferably early diagnosis if you do have a problem, an early diagnosis of something that is very treatable, so we can keep you at work on a steady basis, and so we can keep you with your families and extend your longevity of life. So it's all about quality of life, and this wellness center is about that. So I'm going to introduce Israel Wanowich, the physician here, and then Councilmember Carl Nurse, the chair of our city council, will come up to say a few words. You might be patient number 2, I don't know that. But if you would, Doctor. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Israel Wanowich, and this is a wonderful day for the City of St. Pete and for Bayfront Health, and to all of us here at the City of St. Pete Health and Wellness Center. My wife and I are transplants to this city, and in the last 4 years we've fallen in love with St. Petersburg, in large part to the employees of this city, and for all the hard work they do day in and day out, making the quality of life here such that it is. And my wife and I run on the boardwalks almost daily. We go to the parks, we are part of the recreational leagues, we kayak, we bike, and all of this is provided for by this city, who values the quality of life and health here. And because of that, I feel it's such a privilege to now turn the tables and take care of the employees who take such good care of us. And we appreciate the opportunity here, and you can have our word that we'll be dedicated and committed to your care from today and beyond, and hope to provide you the standard of care that you can't receive anywhere else. So we hope you come visit us, and I want to thank again the mayor and his council for taking such an effort in making this happen, Bayfront CEO Kathy Gillette, Dr. Waldrop, and everybody else who really brought this clinic to being, and it's a privilege to be here to take care of you all. Thank you.
To me, the government works best when you find situations where it's a win-win, and this is a winner for the taxpayers and a winner for the employees and their families. You know, in the last 5 years, all solutions that were free or would save money have been welcomed. And so this is one of those things where it's not immediately free, but it's clearly free in the long run. And this is really all about if we can increase the number of employees who go to the doctor early, both for wellness checkups, and at the beginning of illnesses, and reduce the number of employees who go to the emergency room, they will both improve their health care and save us money. And since the city is self-insured, all those savings really flow back to us. And so this is the kind of innovation that we need to be working on every day, because I don't think suddenly there's going to be a mountain of money that falls from the heavens. And so it's exciting when we come up with these kinds of projects that the employees win, the taxpayers win, people are healthier. I can't think of any downside in an arrangement like this. And it's important that even when money is tight, that we are making those kinds of investments at the beginning. And let me just use a different illustration of that. With children, the earlier we intervene to help them in school, the cheaper it is. And so this is the same kind of thing. It's like the earlier you intervene with me, as an example, as somebody who has high cholesterol, not a sort of a typical person, but I come by it honestly by hereditary. And so it's a lot cheaper to get checked up regularly than it is to suffer the downside later on. And so I do take my pill every morning. And so thank you particularly for Bish Elston, who I know worked on this for months. I got a call from one of your colleagues 6 or 8 weeks ago. Carl, you got to meet this guy. He's really going to be a great doctor. The employees are going to love him. So it's exciting to be here today, and thank you for everybody involved in this.
I think you said it best, and the old adage, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. And if we can prevent that cardiac event, if we can prevent that stroke, if we can prevent mild illnesses from going into something more chronic, then we're good. We're spending the taxpayers' money wisely. We're good stewards, and so that's what it's all about. And so for every employee that might be watching this as well, there are a lot of benefits to this. The hours of this clinic are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Tuesdays and Thursdays, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. So we have varying hours. Dr. Waldrop is here with Bayfront walk-in clinics, and there's an arrangement with that. So for city employees, please go to the website for any information there. And again, very, very excited about this clinic opportunity. And so I think we'll cut the ribbon, and Dr. Wanowich and I will go back, and he'll diagnose me with something, I'm sure. All right. You good? Okay, 1, 2, 3. We're in.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Catherine Gillette, the CEO of Bayfront Health. We want to welcome the City of St. Pete employees to our new clinic here. We are here. We're excited to be open. The mayor is back getting his first treatment done, and we are ready to serve you, the employees. Please come over, see us, stay healthy, and we look forward to being with you for a long time to come. Thank you.
Welcome to the City of St. Petersburg Health and Wellness Center. I'm one of the physicians, Dr. Israel Wanowich, who along with nurse practitioner Andrea Polly will be here dedicated to your care. And we want to take care of your common medical issues, from diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol issues, to anything that comes up acutely, coughs, colds. If you get injured off the job, need some stitching, we can do that here as well. If you have any lumps or bumps that we need to take a look at, any skin tags, we can remove those here as well. Beyond that though, our focus is health and prevention of medical issues. So to do that, we have a staff of dietitians, nutritionists. They will be here to educate you and to stay on top of you, sort of as a gym partner, to help you stay on track, get your goals to fruition, get your weight down, help you stop smoking, and anything else that might be your concern. So please come see us. We're open 5 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 7 a.m. till 5 p.m., Tuesdays and Thursdays from 10 a.m. till 7 p.m. So hope to see you soon. Call the number and schedule an appointment.